meditation. So now, now we are going to start.
EVO कनेक्ट बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग क्लब का मासिक मीटिंग हुआ। इस आयोजन में कई क्षेत्र के व्यापारीजन उपस्थित हुए। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत 2 मिनट मेडिटेशन कर की गई। संस्थान के फाउंडर कार्यक्रम संचालन जितेंद्र कौर ने किया और लोगों को आपस में जोड़ने की प्रतिक्रिया बताई। लक्ष्य जायसवाल ने बताया कि यह एक व्यापारिक मीटिंग है जहां लोग आपस में अपने संपूर्ण कार्य व्यापार को साझा करते हैं। आइए देखिए विशेष खबर।
So I am Jitendra Kaur. It's a pleasure to address you this evening as a president of EVO Connect networking organization. Our community of business professionals has achieved remarkable things by working together, and I'm honored to lead this incredible group. Your success is our success, and make sure that every member finds value in being part of EVO. I encourage all of you to actively participate, share your insight, and take advantage of the opportunity this network provides. Together, we will explore new avenues of growth, develop our skill, and expand our influence for giving references, P2P, and testimonial. My role is to
special day, you have come here, and you know that all the road will be blocked today after 11 p.m. So thanks for coming. We'll try to finish it ASAP. And whatever protest should be on, as well as business should not be stopped. We must protest about this heinous crime, but business should go on, and we should carry our Evo too. Thanks.
So it's a table number 1. In my table I have Omio, who has got many patents. He is into digital marketing, into IT. So any IT solution you want, you can get it from Omio. And we have our founder Lux Jaswal. He is into bearings. So any manufacturer, any factory and any import, export, anything related to bearing, you can connect with him. And we have Mr. Daga, who is into any sort of electronics repairing, or you want a new thing, then you can connect with Omio Daga.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I am Nikhil Bajaj. As the treasurer of EVO, my primary responsibility is to ensure that our financial operations are transparent, accurate, and up to date. My duty is to keep detailed records of all financial transactions. It's my duty to manage our funds responsibly, making sure that all expenses and revenues are accurately tracked and reported. I will regularly update our members on the financial health of the organization, providing clear reports so that everyone is informed. By maintaining strong financial practices, I aim to support the continued growth and success of EVO. Thank you.
all my coordinators also. So a few of them have opted themselves, and thank you so much for being a part of EVO and helping us to coordinate meeting. So kindly please stand those who have opted for coordinator to conduct meeting. So Malaji, few of them are not there. So Malaji is there, Omio is there. I'm just calling one name. Omio, please get up, Omio. Rinki Khan, Rinki is there. And I don't think Sanjay ji to hai. Sanjay ji, please. So and we have got many of them. Those who are there in the slide, they are unable to come today. But yes, thank you all of you for helping us to conduct a swift meeting. Thank you so much. We should give them a big round of applause.
To start with our visitor today, she is Niharika. She will help you rejuvenate your skin, the collagen in the skin, without use of any chemicals, without use of any device, without use of any products. So that's her talent. Then we have every product that we need, which is being organically made under the banner of Modi Care, which is being presented by Sanjay ji. And it's not just a product company, it is giving opportunity to have a side income where people are earning in lakhs and crores. Then we have our Anup ji, who is providing security of the house, and your office, house, car, whatever security you want through insurance, he's here to connect. We have Rinki here. She provides upgradation of softwares or any kind of IT solutions needed by companies to run and manage their data. And here I am with you all. I help people write their experiences and share it in the form of a book with the world to establish credibility and authority. Thank you.
Our table number 5, we are smelling very beautiful because we have Arijit from New York, the perfume people. So you can have the perfume your way, your smell, your boyfriend smell, your husband smell, your girlfriend smell.
That will cause problem. Boyfriend and husband might.
No, don't mix up the gift. No, don't mix up the gift.
We can have a cocktail?
You can have a cocktail. Yes, he says you can do that. So here's Arijit. Next we have beautiful Veena, the bright and beautiful Veena, who's into clothing, and her clothes are here on display. You can pick up anything and walk away. That's what she says. It's on sale today. Okay. Then we have Mr. Manish Agarwal. He's into corporate gifting of various shapes. Here he is. Stand, Manish. Let people know you. Yes, hi. Hi in a louder way. So like he's into corporate gifting and gifts of various shapes and sizes and varieties and packings. So and his ask is may not be for a corporate. It can be for your small family, a large family. So anybody who wants to gift. I'm here to receive gifts, you can give me. Okay. And then we have Ashish Sarda.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. He's into mutual funds. He can make you rich by asking you how to invest proper. The beautiful Pradipta here, who's representing Manas, and he's into GST. We all know I'm here, Mala. I'm into interior designs and I'm from Akriti. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. Happy
जिसको समझना ठीक समझ।
मैं वीना अग्रवाल हूँ और मेरा ब्रांड नेम आराधिका है एंड मैं ईवो कनेक्ट में जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया है मुझे बहुत और साहस और हिम्मत और प्रेरणा मिल रही है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा और काम करूँ। मैं लास्ट 25 इयर्स से डिज़ाइनिंग में हूँ एंड इसको कल्टिवेट करके और आगे जाना है हमें, सबको लेकर, सिर्फ अकेले मैं नहीं।
तो ईवीओ के लिए आपको कैसा लगता है? आज इतने साल से आप जुड़े हुए, लगभग साल भर हो गया।
नहीं, ईवो में मैं अभी 2 या 3 महीने हुए हैं मुझे।
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है। इट्स लाइक माई फैमिली, इट्स लाइक माई एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली। बिजनेस एग्जैक्ट मैं टर्म्स में नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि बिजनेस से बहुत ज़्यादा और कुछ भी मिला है अपार्ट फ्रॉम बिजनेस। बिजनेस का तो चलता ही रहेगा, रिलेशनशिप्स जो हम लोग बना रहे हैं वो और ज़्यादा मजबूत और अच्छे बन रहे हैं।